Yo, what is up, guys? I'm back with another video. We got Carter on his 110. Again, I'm on the hay bike. I haven't rode any other bikes lately. I don't know why, but the moped, there's been a lot of cops out lately. Walkie bike's broken, that bike's broken. The 125 still needs a motor. Yeah, so there's a lot of bikes that need work on around here. So maybe we should do some videos about working on them. But me and Carter are gonna go explore a new spot that we haven't explored yet. So yeah, let's go. I'm just gonna stay in mode 1. We're gonna take the neighborhoods there, but before we go, Carter, you need gas. We need to put gas in your bike. We need to put some gas in Carter's bike before we go, so. I hope my camera's straight for y'all. When I get that new camera, it's gonna make such a huge difference, I feel like. But let's get Carter's bike some gas and let's get it on the road. Gas is over here. I got some gas. And I almost walked towards my bike like I was trying to fill my bike up. Put it on the kickstand.
Well, I'm gonna hold her up straight.
Just put her on the kickstand. She'll be alright. I bet this bike gets better mileage than the moped. The moped gets horrible mileage.
This has a big tank though.
My moped tank is bigger. That one's like 5 gallon. This one's a gallon, I think.
I think it's governed a lot.
Too. This one?
Yeah, I think my dad messed with it.
Yeah, see how quick yours fills up?
Because you said it went faster before, so.
Well, that's also because mine was kind of like redneck to frick. That bike doesn't even have a governor. No. I don't know either. I had that bike going 50. It only goes 45. But 50 on that bike is too fast. For you.
For me?
For you. Because I'm a better rider. And plus, I'm a little more retarded than you, so. Alright, we're still recording, good. Now let's get on the road. We're gonna go explore a new spot. I thought that white car was a cop. I thought this car was a cop. We're good. Okay, so the bike that when I crashed it in like that video, like I don't know, this third video ago? I don't even know what video that was, but I crashed this bike not too long ago, and I wrecked my seat a little bit, and it's not ripped, but it's just like torn up a little bit. Like, it's like ripped up. I don't know how to explain it, but I got the bike fixed. I got Carter's bike fixed this morning, and we have 30 minutes to ride and just do whatever we want. So this video is gonna be like, hopefully not more than 20 minutes long, but we want to go explore this new spot, so we're gonna cut through these neighborhoods. This way we don't have to worry about cops. I'm just gonna keep my battery until we get there. So I'm just gonna stay in mode 1. So it's just gonna be a nice cruise till we get there, but I've been making a lot of videos lately. Because I haven't had a lot of time, but I have the day off work today, so. And Carter's got to go to his dad's, so I'm trying to make I made like 3 videos already this morning. And then I made one yesterday. Or no, 2 days ago. It uploaded, I think yesterday is when I uploaded. But yeah, we're gonna cut through all the neighborhoods, and then the neighborhoods will get us to the place we want to go. Well, we're not cutting through all of them. We're cutting through like half of them. But hey, it's the bridge. It's my TikTok profile picture. Is this bridge with the Carter's bike when it was mine. That used to be my profile picture. Well, it is still on TikTok. I need to change it. I might put this bike on the bridge and take a picture. I got yelled at once because apparently this is like private property. And this guy was on a 4-wheeler, and I guess he's like a maintenance guy. I just dropped a bar, but it's because me and Carter have been riding like for 2 hours. But I have been going pretty easy on it. But we're not, I don't think that's the turn. Yeah, it's not. We have to turn right here. I think. Yeah, it should be right. Bro, if we get lost right now, we do not have time to get lost. Because I have a landscaping job I need to get to after this. And then Carter has to be by his dad's by 3, and it's like 2:15 right now, probably. Seven minutes already? Dang. I think we just need to go straight, and that'll lead us to the place we need to go. Wrong neighborhood? We went down the wrong place. I'm just gonna put her in 2. Why not? I have full bars again. Never mind, I just went down again. I love the regen on this bike. It helps with the battery life so much. I have a question for y'all. So I made it so y'all can comment on my videos now, because I had all my videos like made for kids and stuff, but I guess that makes it so you can't comment on them. But when I make them, like, I don't even know, but I want y'all to tell me, should I make this bike faster and less torquey, or should I keep it the same? Here we go, this is the right turn. But if I make it faster, I'll like make it like more of a street bike, but I'll still ride it off road. But I can make this bike go like 70, probably, maybe. Cause it's not a bad bike, it just needs faster. It's kind of slow, but I do love the torque. So is it like worth sacrificing the torque for the speed? Let me know in the comments. Here we go. This is the right spot. We gotta go straight. We gotta wait for all these cars though. We gotta go straight. What? Watch out, Carter. Let's just go right now. We just sat in the turn lane. Oh, I don't even know if we're gonna be able to get back there because of all the construction workers. They might not even let us back there. Shoot. We have to get over there. No hands. Woo, woo. Cops. Woo. That's the sound of the police. I hope there's no construction workers down here because this is the trail down here, I think. I want to ride this so bad, and this is like the only moment I can ride it with Carter. Sweet, there's no people down here. Yo, it's changed so much. There used to be a trail right here. Oh, shoot. It's changed so much. Yeah, shoot, let's ride it. Yeah, this is the place we want to explore. Oh my gosh, there's like a nice little... Oh, jumps. This is a nice little road. I have no clue where this goes, but people have definitely made this. Yo, we need to make a trail on this power line. Like, just go all the way down. There's like a pad over there. Yo! We're going on this trail, bro. There's like more stuff over there. And I think this leads to that. I bet this is all going to be houses and freaking neighborhoods and stuff. Yeah, there's cornfield over there. Oh, it's so bumpy. Think we're gonna get yelled at? Screw it. There's a truck. There's a creek. It's a nice creek. All right, we're gonna call this construction site number 2 because we haven't even seen this one yet. I don't think. What? Let's just ride it. Why not? We're already here. No, because then we're definitely gonna get yelled at. This is construction site number 2. Yo, look at this ram. I'm hitting this, bro. I'm hitting this. We'll be fine. Unless they tell us to leave. It's just one of those things like, oh, we didn't know we shouldn't be here. You know what I'm saying? No. How is it obvious? Let's just ride this, bro. Don't be scared. We'll be fine. What are they gonna do? Exactly, we'll just leave. So no. Oh yes. Oh, this is nice. Oh, dude, there's more jumps. I have no clue. I think we should just ride this for a little bit. 'Cause why not? I kind of do want to hit that jump. Ugh. Let's go this way. Oh my gosh. We gotta ride this later when there's no workers. Because I don't... Carter's right. We probably shouldn't be back here, but whatever. There's so much cool stuff back here. Look over there. There's a half pipe. Or whatever those things are called. It's like one of, like, it's like whoosh. Why do you want to find an abandoned place so bad? I don't know, but later we should ride this. When, like, I know, but next time you're over here, I'm riding this off next video is gonna be riding this probably. I'm definitely coming back here though. Holy crap, it's Sandy. I'm coming back here tonight for sure. That sand's so bad. Yeah, I'm coming back here for sure. Holy crap, about to have so much fun back here. I'm definitely coming back here on camera next time because I'm about to film all of this. Oh shoot, I should come back here with I don't know if he wants me to say his name, so I'm just gonna call him Logan. That's what I'm gonna call him. But that kid on the mini bike that was been in one of my videos. I don't know if he wants me to say his real name though. So, but let's take this back and end the video there. But next time we're gonna ride. I'm gonna ride this by myself because, like I said, Carter's got to go back to his dad's, which really does suck. Whatever. Holy crap! This is dumb, bro. Oh, that's actually kind of fun. Well, we're gonna end the video here. Peace.